You know, sometimes I just make things because I have the audacity. For your viewing pleasure, a snoring curtain. Oh, there's one up here too. Oh. That was a big yawn. That was a big yawn. We will not be making a dress today. Instead, I saw these all over Pinterest and was like, that lady on the plane?
That back there is not real.
I need to have that. I need to have it in my life. But where the am I going to wear that? In my house? No, that's gonna be wasted on me. So you know who I'm gonna make it for? My amazing tattoo artist who's going to a very cool concert in April. So yeah, I'm gonna make a metal corset thing with the glue shit. You know, the glue, the silicone mold glue stuff that we're seeing go around everywhere. I'm gonna try it out and I'll report back. I didn't know what to call it because like corset, not really, metal frame armor kind of, it's a lot of things mixed together, and I was like, Skeletor, that's what it is. It's Skeletor. So I'm gonna make this Skeletor creation and hope it turns out and hope she loves it. One more kitten scratch and then we'll get into it. This is the framework that I started out with. It didn't end up this way at the very end. I decided to change it, which was fun. I saw everybody that was doing the wire stuff wrapping it with ribbon first, and I definitely didn't understand why, but I thought I'd trust the process, and it was definitely much more stiffer afterwards, so I see why it's necessary. I love these chains. I thought they were so fun. These were such a nightmare to get on. Oh, they were so pokey. I stabbed myself so many times. But I love this little death moth. That's such a cute addition. I did ribbon all the way around to cover it, and then I actually took some black acrylic paint and just painted over the silver, and it covered it pretty well. The wire wrapping was really the hardest part of the whole thing. It was just wrapping the wires around. I decided to use wire instead of like string or anything because I wanted it to be really indestructible. And then yeah, I just covered everything with lace ribbon. These are the glue things. And then once you paint them with acrylic paint, they go completely matte. It's gorgeous. And they're so nice to work with. I bedazzled them with these jewels. I did some beading in them. I did end up covering them on the back with some fabric. I just hot glued them to some scrap costume satin that I had. And they just turned out so great. Oh, they turned out so cool. Adding these little red drops. You can't see them against the mannequin, but they were just so cute. These little like blood drops, they were adorable. Made all my like gothic fantasies happy. I handmade these flowers. I'll put the tutorial in the description, but they were really easy. And they turned out so like spooky, gothic-y. I don't know. They're just I like the burnt edges. I think they're really cool. They're a little shiny. I was rough editing my footage and I realized while I was editing that I just absolutely hate these things on the bottom. And I think it would be so much nicer if they just weren't there. So I'm gonna try and fold them up, and if not, then we're gonna cut them off. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to cut them off. They're I can do is I can cut them off here and fold it back up between here. So I'm gonna cut here and then I'll just fold them up, and then I'll just cut this straight across here. Where am I? Okay, better to go out. Better to start big and have to make less than not make too much.
What? What are you doing?
You wanna come out? Come in. Yeah? You want to say hi to everybody? Good Mal. Yeah, good boy. Okay. So sweet. So sweet. Guess I'm doing this with the cat now. Hey, baby, I need you to... I got sharp stuff happening. Sorry, I'll come love you in a little bit. He's not gonna want it then. Oh, heck yeah. That looks so much better. Cool. It really did just turn out so cool, though. I am so excited to see it at the concert. I just think, yeah, I'm so happy with it.